Step 1. Click File, go to Open to select image. Step 2. Copy layer. Step 3. Click the tab Channel. Select left. Click the image adjustment to select brightness or contrast. Set brightness 50. Step 4. Click the tab Channel, choose Scheme. Click the image adjustment to select brightness or contrast. Set brightness 50. Step 5. Click the tab Channel, select RGB. Step 6. Click the tab Layer, select New Value. Step 7. Select the rectangular matrix to crop image. Step 8. Click Select to select Modify Filter. Is set to 30. Step 9. Click to select Inverse. Step 10. Select the pen market to selected back. Step 11. Only color on the edge of image. Step 12. Click Select, go to Deselect. Before and after.